Hey, calligraphy business owners, it's Marie from Made in September. I don't know about you, but pricing is probably the thing I like least about being a creative business owner. I used to get so much anxiety every time a client or prospect would reach out asking for a quote or asking for my rates because I had nothing to show for myself except for a disorganized Google spreadsheet. I'm sure you can probably relate to that. So out of frustration of dealing with this over and over again, I decided to do something about it. I decided to finally create a rate book for my business, something I had been putting off for months, probably years actually. And then I finally implemented it into my business. And a few things happened that I was kind of surprised by. The first thing was that the anxiety around pricing went away. I was surprised by how quick I was able to start responding to custom quotes. I'm able to quote jobs in under 15 minutes now, and that includes doing research for materials and products and things like that. The second thing is that my clients started taking me more seriously as a legitimate business owner. And in fact, some of the haggling and negotiating kind of stopped from there because people saw like my services and the prices associated with it. They saw it as this is what she's charging. I mean, think about it. You don't go to Starbucks and ask the barista to give you the latte for 50% off because the prices are set on the menu in front of you. Well, this rate book is essentially your menu of your services and your prices. And so people take that a little bit more seriously. The other thing is that my clients started spending more with me and my business revenue started increasing as I implemented this rate book into my business because now they were able to see all of my services in one neat and tidy place along with the prices associated with them. So they started thinking outside of just place cards and thinking about signage and envelopes and all the other things that I offer in my business. So I decided that I was going to take the design that I pulled together and offer it to you all, to my calligraphy community, because I think all of us should have the same opportunity to grow our businesses and see the same kind of success in all of our businesses. So I put together the Calligrapher's Rate Book template. It's a Canva template that's basically the same exact thing that I use in my business for my rate book, but it's not just that template. I'm also giving you a comprehensive checklist of everything you need to pull together and upload into Canva because I cannot stand it when I buy a digital product that's supposed to save me time and it ends up being a time suck. I mean, as a solopreneur, time is my most valuable asset in my business. And so spending time trying to figure out, well, what design elements do I need to pull in? What photos, what logos? I got it covered for you. You're getting a comprehensive look at everything you need. I also pulled together a user guide. So this is going to show you how to use the template, but it also has really good tips and resources in it. So I show you ways on how you can actually implement the rate book into your business workflow. And I give you a lot of resources from other members of our community on how to set your prices. Because what is the point in having a beautifully designed rate book if you haven't nailed your prices? I'm also giving you 2 other bonuses. So the first one is a Canva video tutorial. So I am walking you through step by step how to use the template in Canva, and I'm actually walking you through the strategy behind some of the design elements. So I want you thinking from a business strategic mindset, why you are designing your prices around your services in this specific way. The other bonus that I'm giving you is another Canva template. It's a 1-page rate sheet. So if you just need all of your services and your prices in 1 page, this is the template that will help you do that. Now you're probably thinking, well, Marie, this is going to cost a lot of money because you're giving us a lot of value. Well, I am giving you a lot of value, and altogether it does cost $197. However, that's not what I'm charging. I'm only charging $47 for this. And because this is my launch week and I want to see as many people take advantage of this rate book template as possible, I am giving you a stupid discount, $27. That's 57% off the normal retail price and like a bajillion percentage off the actual value of the product. So if you're ready to get started, make an investment in your business, save yourself the anxiety of pricing, have your clients take you a little bit more seriously and save yourself time, then head on over to the Calligrapher's Rate Book template, or you can click the button below and get started.